Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will tell you how to remove iPhone 6 from errors software. What we are having in this phone is error 4013 and different types of errors like error 1440, 1340, 14, 9 and different types of image related errors. This is mostly related to the memory chip. For the solution of such different types of error, the memory chip will be unloaded first. To remove memory chip, we need normal temperature and maximum temperature, which should be 280. And if the chip is exposed to too much heat while removing the chip, then the chances of the phone getting dated are also high. Be careful not to damage the bottom connection when removing the memory chip. The motherboard is servicing the connection well. Service the memory stick well. I also use a reballing shield to reball the chip. And then heat it to normal temperature so that the bubble becomes clear. Then rebolt the motherboard connections in the same way. And then heat it again to 280 degrees Celsius and connect the memory chip. After reheating the memory chip, leave it for a few seconds to allow the temperature of the board to balance. Refitting the motherboard into the casing and software using 3U Tools or iTunes. Our operation was successful.
Yes!
Thanks for watching this videos. Please like and subscribe channel. Press the bell icon.